How's it recording?
It's recording.
Is it the little red thing flashing?
Yes.
Okay, so we are up. So, this is a special movie for Jeff. My name is Ben, and this is, what's your name?
My name is Eli.
Yep, this is Eli, and we're going to show Jeff how to install a CPU on a motherboard. So, this is a Haswell-based motherboard. We won't be needing these. That's your animal. So basically what you'll see is that there's this slot for the CPU. They give you a blank, you can just take that out.
Hey, this is my ammo.
So this is the CPU here. You can just take that out. You won't need this. So this is your heat sink and fan. That's the you'll see this little gray stuff. That's the glue. This glue is going to kind of spread out a bit the first time it heats up. Hey Eli, what did we say about interrupting?
Yes.
Yeah, you don't interrupt. All right. Now there's a couple rules. There's a couple rules, Jeff. Eli, come over here. I have some rules for you to tell. Oh well. Anyway, so basically the rules are you don't touch this. This is the processor. So to put it in, you open this up, and you will notice somewhere where'd it go? There we go, a little arrow thing. Alright, so you can see that there's a little arrow here.
I'm not focusing very well.
Well, camera.
Hang on. Okay, I got it.
Alright, so anyway, there's an arrow here. Alright, there's supposed to be an arrow here, and I don't know why they didn't really put one on this motherboard. Hey, there you are. Eli, do we touch this?
Yes.
No, we do not touch this.
No, we don't.
Alright, anyway, so you drop it in.
Those are my water toys.
Those are your lots of toys. Alright, and if it doesn't fit like that, that means it doesn't go that way. That means it goes this way. Anyway, so you'll see it just kind of fits snugly in there. Then what you want to do is latch this down.
Yes, slash it.
Slash it.
Yes, slash it. Those are my water animals. Oh.
And that goes right under there. And that's a good secure fit. Then what you want to do is get your CPU fan. You will notice that there are 4 holes in the motherboard. That's where these 4 things go.
Hey, it's Cookie Monster.
Oh boy, Cookie Monster. Who cares about Cookie Monster?
Those are my water toys. This is my giraffe.
Alright, so these you just kind of push down. Once you've got them pushed, you just turn them to the left to lock them in. Or maybe it was turn them to the right to lock them in.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Yeah, right. Turn them to the right to lock them in. And you'll see here that there are 2 plugs for a CPU fan. CPU 1 and CPU 2. You'll want to plug this into CPU 1.
Those are my water toys.
Yep. And while we're here,
What?
so that's pretty much it for the CPU. You'll want to secure these. You'll want to secure these wires so that they don't get in the way of the fan, especially.
Oh,
So here's a.
Oh wait.
This is one of the 750 Ti's. This is a lot cheaper than the one you bought. Also runs a lot cooler.
I know the YouTube.
So after yours overheats, you might want to consider one of these.
Like,
Eli, do you talk when Daddy's talking?
I got this. I gave one paper open.
Well, who knows how to get it out.
Those are my lot of toys.
You've got a lot of toys. Do you need more toys?
No.
No?
Good answer.
Oh, need more toys. Huh? Need some more
There.
toys. More.
Alright, so this here is a GPU. And it's pretty straightforward, just drop it in the PCI Express slot. If you look on the motherboard, most of them
No idea what it. Hang on. I just took
it's
a
probably still
picture.
recording, right?
Yes, I just took
Yeah,
a picture
that's
though.
fine. Yeah, you can take as many pictures as you want. Anyway, so you usually want to put it in the slot closest to this side. That's usually your fastest slot. And you'll just drop it in. Oh, they put these things here. Anyway, drop it in like that. Now on yours, there's not one on this one, but on yours, you're going to find somewhere around here or here a special power connector. Eli, is Daddy talking? Yes, Daddy's talking. You'll find a special power connector right here that your power supply will plug into. So anyway, that's it. Talk to you later. Good luck building your computer. Bye.